Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update macOS version on Apple MacBook Air M4. First, make sure that you have an internet connection by clicking the Wi-Fi icon, or make sure that you have the Ethernet cable connected to your device via the adapter. Then tap the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and find and select System Settings option. Now in System Settings of your MacBook, you're gonna have to go to the General option, then select Software Update, and here wait until your device finds available updates for your device. And to update your macOS version, select Upgrade Now next to the macOS, in my case Tahoe 2601. Click Upgrade Now, then agree to terms and conditions, and then provide the password to your device in the following field. Click OK, and then just wait until the update is downloaded and then installed on your computer. Okay, so after a quick while, once the update is installed on your downloaded on your computer, your device will automatically switch off. At this point, I highly recommend you to connect a charger to your MacBook. Generally speaking, it's practically required. So yeah, connect a charging cable to your device and wait until the macOS is updated. And once you once again see the lock screen of your MacBook, that means that your device has been updated. As you can see, software update is complete. Now you just can click continue, then sign into your Apple account. Let me once again zoom it in for you. Just provide your Apple ID password. Press enter. And wait for a while. You can choose to share your Mac Analytics with Apple by hitting this checkbox, and then press continue. If you don't want to share it, then it's no problem. You can just click continue and proceed. If you want to set up summarizing notifications, you can click choose notifications to summarize. Otherwise, you can set them up later. Then click continue. Then you can go through the quick overview of the new features of the new update by clicking continue and watching what Apple has to offer you. And at this point, the update is fully complete and you can get back to using your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.